Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Shazam on Android in 2026. The first thing that you'll have to make sure of is that you're connected either to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, a Wi-Fi icon should appear on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, a 4G or 5G icon should appear next to your mobile network status. The other thing that you must make sure is that you're running at least Android 10.0 or higher. For that, head over to Settings, scroll down, and then tap on About Phone, scroll down again, and then hit Software Information. Check your Android version. This phone is running Android 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can head back over to your home page. In the search bar of your app drawer, search for Play Store, and then in the search bar of Play Store, simply search for Shazam. Go or enter on your keyboard, and then install the Shazam app. Before you try and install any app from the Play Store, make sure that you're logged into your Google account. If not, then Google Play Store will prompt you to log into your Google account first with your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll be able to download any app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.